And with just one session, I was able to raise my hand all the way up here. So after 10 days of being here, I'm rejuvenated, and I think my face must tell it all. Hi. If you look at these lush green surroundings, it's hard to believe you are in the middle of Bangalore. My name is Asha, and I'm at the Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital in Bangalore. I come from Berwyn, Pennsylvania. I'm an IT professional, and I came here because of the pains and aches of urban living. And I wanted to get a Panchakarma treatment, as well as I had an issue with my hand. It refused to go up beyond this. So I wanted to get that checked out also. So we were here for about 10 days. And prior to coming here, I had an online session with Dr. Yogeshwar Chippa, who suggested that, I come here for the treatment. Once I checked in, the doctor did what is called as Nadi Pariksha, where he got a, kind of a benchmark of my body and my mind, and then suggested a treatment plan for me. And most of the treatments were so relaxing. Oil massages, the head massages, the body massages, and steam, as well as some of the other ear treatments that I had. He also suggested I go in for osteopathy. This is a new, non-intrusive and pain-free treatment for me. And with just one session, I was able to raise my hand all the way up here. So after 10 days of being here, I'm rejuvenated. And I think my face must tell it all. But one thing I am going to do is I'm going to come back here every year. This is going to be my 10 days of rejuvenation plan going forward. Thanks. Bye.